morning children. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. So children, today we are going to discuss about chapter 9, our body. And warm up activity we will do later. So what is our body? So children, human body works like a machine. And it has different parts that work together. Just like a machine, it works very well as it made up of different parts. Similar way, our body, human body, is also made up of the different parts. And these different parts of our body are hands, legs, eyes and ears. All these different parts, they work together to perform different functions. All these parts, they perform some special work, and the parts of our body which can do particular work are called organs. All these are different organs. You can see here. So children, organs, they are situated on the outside of our body and can be seen by us. And this type of the organs we called as external organs. Those organs which we can see outside of our body. And examples are organs like arms, legs, eyes, nose, ears, all are external organs. Besides of the external organs, there are some other organs which are located inside our body. All these are inside of our body. And these organs we cannot see. And so this type of organs we called as internal organs. So children, internal organs are the brain, the heart, the lungs, the stomach and the kidneys. All these organs we called as internal organs. Next important topic is organ system. So children, what is organ system? When more than one organs is used to perform any function. For example, if we are trying to catch a ball, then what we can do? We use our hands and our arms to catch the ball, and also ball is moving, then we also move towards the ball. And also we use eyes to look at that ball to catch or any activity. Whenever we do anything, we perform any function, all the organs, they works together. So children, when all these different types of the organs, when they works together, when we move, we run, we eat something, and if we are breathing, all these organs, they works together. This type of the working and functioning of the organs is called as organ system. And human body, it has different organs system to do different functions. Let us discuss one by one. So first important organ system is skeleton system. Here we have given picture of skeleton system. This type of system is made up of bone only. So children, you can see here. Here we have a skull. This part is called skull. Here is neck bone, ribs, arm bones, back bones, hip bones, hand bones and leg bones, and also feet bones. All they together, when they join together with the help of joints, they form skeleton or a skeleton system. We can call it as skeleton or the skeletal system. And the skeletal system, it helps the human body. It provides the shape and support to our body. And also bones help us to stand, walk and move. The joints in human body, they helps in walking, movement of the human body. And also skeleton, it also protects the internal organs of our body. Internal organs, as we have discussed, these organs are the heart, lungs, liver, stomach and kidneys. All are protected by the skeletal system. So children, we have discussed that an adult human body has 206 bones, whereas baby, they have more than 300 bones during their birth time. After the time, later on, some of the bones of their body, they join together, they fuse together, and when they become adult, they becomes young, then their bones becomes 206 in number. Our next organ system is, second is muscular system. So children, you can see her picture. We have given muscular system. In this type of the system, it is a soft part of our body. Under our skin, it is made up of muscles only. Here we can see this type of the skeleton system is covered up by the muscles, and muscles are present all over our body. Together, all our muscles form the muscular system, and the muscles are attached to the bones and they help to the movement. We can see here all the muscles are attached to the bones, they are fixed with the bones. That's why they help us for our movements, just like whenever we walk, run, do any work, we can do very easily. And also it helps the movement of the different parts of our body. Third most important organ system is digestive system. So children, this type of the system are the process of absorbing nutrients which are very useful substances by the breaking down the food into the simpler form is called digestion. When we eat something, we chew that, and the nutrients which is present inside of the food, when we chew it, the useful substances, we break the food inside of our mouth, then it breaks down into the simpler form. This type of the process of absorbing the nutrients by breaking down the food into simpler form, that is called digestion. And the organs that carry out digestion together make our digestive system. Now let us discuss this digestive system or digestion in detail. So children, digestion always it begins and starts in mouth, and the food is broken down into smaller pieces by the chewing with the help of our teeth. And the food is mixed with a juice called saliva in the mouth. When we eat food, what happens children? It breaks down into simpler pieces. We break it into simpler pieces by chewing with the help of our teeth which is found inside of our mouth. It helps in the chewing of the food. Then the food is mixed with a juice. The type of the juice we call as saliva, which is present in our mouth. Then after that it goes through the food pipe. Here we have food pipe. Okay, this is the food pipe, and it goes through the food pipe to the stomach. Here is stomach, and stomach is a sac-like organ where the chewed food is mixed with the digestive juices. So children, when food it goes through food pipe to the stomach, it is a sac-like. Sac-like means our stomach is just like a bag or a pocket where a food is stay there, and the digestive juices which are present in our stomach, they help in the digestion of the food. And also the food then goes to the small intestine. Here we have small intestine. After the chewing of the food in the stomach, it goes into the small intestine. Then here useful substances like nutrients from the food are absorbed, and the undigested food passes from the small intestine to the large intestine. Here the outer this intestine we called as large intestine. So children, in this intestine, large intestine, the undigested food passes through. It passes, then it is thrown out of our body through anus. Here we have anus. So children, the digestion it's always start from mouth, then food goes after breaking down in our mouth with the help of teeth. It passes through this food pipe, then reach at stomach. After that it goes to small intestine, then undigested food it thrown out of our body, we throw it out through anus. So this type of the system of the organ system we called as digestive system. So children, you have to revise this video, the topic which I have discussed today. Read the chapter at least 2 times. Thank you so much.